Welcome to this Tech Easy channel, and we are going to talk about the operating systems for the month of November. We're ending November, early December now. What are the operating systems dominating our world, and how have they moved up or down the scale from month to month? So these are the latest numbers that come from the November 2019 stats counter, global stats. And of course, without surprise, Android is dominating the world at 40.28%. If we look at the numbers, though, it was at 41.2%. So it's kind of a big drop of almost 1%, which is kind of weird, wondering why that drop, especially when you think that it's generally, pretty much dominating, and there's, millions of Android phones out there that are actually being used and sold. So I don't, it's kind of weird to see that there's such a big drop here. So 40.28 in November. Windows is, of course, the second dominating operating system. It's 35.1. It was 34.8 last time in October, so it grew by 0.25% roughly. So there's a little growth there on the Windows side of things. Could go also with the fact that Windows 10 is, Windows 7's demise is coming up next month. So a lot of people brushing up with new Windows computers maybe, or businesses. Then we have the iOS. iOS was at 13.5. Now it's 13.6. Within the, margin of error, basically. OS 10, which is the Mac operating system. 7.1 last time. 7.6 this time around. So I guess that means we are, November, yep. It's pretty much 7.1 to 7.6. We are a little increase in the Mac side of things. There were new MacBooks announced, so maybe they increased the number of Mac computers. Then we've got Unknown and Linux. Unknown, some of it is possibly Chromebooks. Linux at 0.83. Which I think is a little underestimated. It's always been around, 1 to 2%. So maybe some of the unknowns are possibly Linux distros that are not. They don't find really what version that could be, and aren't really making a category for it in Linux. But that's the way that it is. So 40.3 for Android, drop of 1%. 35.12 for Windows, up about 0.25%. That's the way it stands in the operating systems for the month of November 2019. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.